Hello everyone. What if I tell you that there is a way to make him crave your presence, not because you are playing games, but because you are tapping into something deep in his psychology. Let's talk about real emotional addiction. You have seen those couples where the guy just can't get enough of his partner. He texts her first. He listens deeply. He is all in. And no, it's not because she is the most beautiful woman in the room, it's because she understands how emotional addiction works. Today, we are breaking down the science behind making someone emotionally attached to you, and that too in a healthy way. Why he's not addicted yet? Most people think emotional addiction is about looks, sex, or playing hard to get. Wrong. The real secret? The brain's reward system. When a man feels understood and valued around you, his brain releases dopamine, the same chemical that makes social media, junk food, and gambling so addictive. But if he feels criticized, ignored, or like he's performing for you, his brain shuts down. He pulls away. For example, think about the last time you met someone who just got you. You laughed at the same things. They remembered small details about your life, and you let the conversation feel lighter. That's the addiction we are talking about. How emotional addiction works? Harvard research shows that emotional safety is the #1 predictor of long-term attachment. Not passion, not gifts, safety. And here is why. Number 1, the vulnerability loop. When you share something personal, and he does too, his brain releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. For example, instead of saying, "How was your day?" try, "What was the best and worst part of your day?" It forces deeper sharing. Number 2, the scarcity principle. Our brain wants what we can't always have, but not in the way you think. If you're emotionally unpredictable, warm one day and distant the next day, his brain stays hooked, trying to figure you out. And the key is, this isn't about ignoring him. It's about having a life outside him so that he misses you. Men are starved for genuine admiration, no flattery, specific praise. For example, instead of saying, "You're amazing," say, "I love how you handled the situation with your boss. That took real courage." So the solution is 3 steps to create emotional addiction. Step 1. Be his peace, not his drama. Studies show men associate love with relief, a break from stress, while women often associate it with excitement. So what needs to be done? When he is with you, let him breathe. Do not interrogate. Don't unload your stress immediately. Just together. 80-20 rule of attention. Give him 80% warmth, 20% mystery. For example, text him first sometimes, but other times, let him wonder, "What are you up to?" Trigger his hero instinct without playing damsel protect, but in a modern way. So what needs to be done? Ask for his help on something he's good at. "Can you fix my laptop?" Or "I would love your advice on this." Then thank him sincerely. The moment he realizes you are the one who makes him feel seen, not just flattered, that is the moment he's hooked for good. Emotional addiction isn't about tricks, it's about being the person he associates with safety and just the right amount of mystery. Start small, pick one of these steps today. If this clicked you, you can subscribe for more such videos.